Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile. Trust me, by the end of this video, your profile will be safer than ever. But before we begin, did you know that anyone can check your Facebook profile picture even if you're not friends? Let's fix that and I'll tell you a secret trick at the end. So don't skip. First things first, open your Facebook app and make sure you're logged in. Then tap on the menu or three-line icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down and you'll find the settings and privacy option. Tap on it. Under that, tap on settings. When you enter there, a new page will open. Now listen carefully, this part is very important. If professional mode is turned on in your Facebook account, then the profile lock option will not appear. Many people make mistakes right here. So first, turn off professional mode. Then come back to settings again. Now scroll down a bit. After scrolling, you'll find a section called Audience and Visibility. Inside this, you'll see Followers and Public Content. Tap on it. Here, convert all the options from Public to Friends. Then go back. Now you will see an option called Profile Locking. As soon as you see it, click on it. And if it doesn't appear yet, don't worry, it will show up after a few days. Next, a page will appear where it will explain what benefits you get when you lock your profile. After checking everything, tap the Lock Your Profile button below. Now look, at the bottom, you will see a message. Your profile is locked. If you face any problem understanding any step, let me know in the comments, I will reply. Thanks for watching. Follow and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.